Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 21. Today we're going to revisit a topic that we touched on previously, which was row and column differences. And in this one we're just going to have a quick update on looking across the row for differences in the formula, just using one of the two techniques again. We had a question in relation to this. So if you look on the data on the screen at the moment, you've got revenue, COGS and gross profit from units, price and COGS. And everything looks within a reasonable line. If you were to graph it out, it all looks fairly straightforward. It looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. But on each of these rows there's an issue. So what we're going to do is highlight the row, and with the use of control and the backslash, or also the pipe, it's the same key, which is between the backspace key and the enter key. Control, and you'll see it goes to the last cell, which is hard-coded 10,000, whereas all the other cells are consistent. So if we were actually to highlight the other cells and do it again, control and the pipe key, you'll see no cells are found. So let's just do that again on the next row. So we'll highlight the entire row, and we say control pipe, and you'll see the second one comes up now, which is the hard-coded number, whereas all the other cells are in similar format. And if I just quickly select those cells and say control pipe, you'll see no cells are found. And then finally the last row, and we'll check that one again, control and pipe, and there you go, you've got the hard-coded number 3 from the end. And again, if we just quickly highlight the other cells, control pipe, no cells are found, and you can say that the formula is consistent, but for those 3 cells which were highlighted as hard-coded numbers. Now, what we were saying the other week is this also works when you look down a column, and the only difference is rather than using control pipe, you use control shift pipe, and that will give you the row and column differences. So something just nice and simple to quickly check that your formulas have been consistently applied across a row or down a column.